Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Valorant is keep crashing. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First thing you want to do is open up your task manager, and on task manager you want to go ahead and see what uses the most of your memory and CPU. So for example, it would be for me Epic Games Launcher, and you want to go ahead and end the task. And basically find what uses it the most also, and end all of the tasks. Also, if there's any Valorant running in the background, you also want to go ahead and end the task. If that is not a problem, you want to go to your device manager, and on device manager you want to go ahead and find display adapters, find your GPU, and update the driver. Now, after that, you want to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here you want to click Allow an app or feature to go through firewall, change settings. And what you need to have in order to add an app here, you want to have Valorant open file location right there. Open it up. Now this will pop up. You go ahead here on Valorant and open file location. Now you will be redirected to this page. You want to go ahead and copy the path, and you want to go ahead and add it here. So just like that. So you're gonna add Riot client, just like so. And also you want to add another app, which would be just Valorant. So we want to go back to Riot Games right there on the same path, go to Valorant Live and Valorant exe file, add it right there, and just make sure that these two are ticked on Valorant option and also on Riot client. So the Valorant would be called Bootstrap packaged game. And you want to, of course, tick all of these and click OK. Now, after you've done with that, you want to go on search and write on Valorant again and open file location, and you will see this file. So you want to go ahead, go to properties here, compatibility, and make sure that these two are ticked on. So disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, apply, and OK. And that's it. That should fix our problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.